In this tutorial, we're going to talk about all the different ways you can download your designs, share templates. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm in Canva and I just have a simple design open. From here, you can simply download your design. And when you come over here up in the upper right, you click on share. You can go to the download button. You can download it as a PNG, a JPEG, two different types of PDFs, SVG if you have a Canva Pro account. And if you don't, and you'd like the 45-day free trial, there will be a link in the description, an MP4 video or a GIF, whichever way you say it. That's the simple basic downloads. And if you wanted to download as a PNG, in order to do transparent background, you have to have a Canva Pro account. So that is basically your simplest form of downloading. A newer feature that Canva has come out with, so I have many elements on this design. If I wanted to just highlight some simple elements, so I have these ones highlighted, and to highlight, you just click and drag your mouse over and it will select elements that are in that path. You can then right click and download only that selection. And when you click download selection, it's going to bring you up to the download screen where you have all those same options, and it's going to show you what it's going to look like. And then you can choose the multiple different options. That is another way of downloading. Another thing I wanted to talk about is the share feature. So on this design, I have, you'll notice, page 1 of 30. So I have 30 designs, and these are all Instagram quote posts that I have created. So let's say I want to sell this design. You want to put it in a document as a link, but a link where if someone opens it and they open it in their Canva and they make changes to it, it doesn't edit your copy. So if you come up over here on the right-hand side and you click share, you're going to notice this area where it says link shared publicly, anyone with the link, and you can view, can comment, can edit. This is what you do not want to use if you're going to sell these as templates. Typically, the only time you would use this area right here is if you're working in Teams, and I don't have a lot of familiarity with Teams because I don't use them. So anytime I want to share a file with someone, I come right here and choose template link. When you click on that, it'll give you a link to copy, and that's what I am going to share out. So to recap, anytime you want to share a template link out and you don't want them to edit your original, come down here to template link. The next piece that we're going to talk about is PDF documents. So I have this PDF document that I created in Canva, and let me zoom in a little bit here. And you'll notice that I have a link here. So anytime you put a link, whether it's in a design, in a document, and you want to share it, you're going to notice that when you click on download, you're going to say, looks like you have links in your design. For links to work, please choose PDF. So when you come up here, you're going to want to choose either PDF standard or PDF print. I always opt for PDF print, but you can use PDF standard. So that is another way that you want to be able to share documents out. Also, we'll come back over here to the Instagram posts. You'll notice down here that you have several different options. Now, Canva has a ton of different options to share and how you share. Now, with these Instagram quote posts, if you have a Canva Pro account, you can actually post them right out to your social media. All you have to do is you have to have a Canva Pro account and you have to link it to your social media accounts. And you'll notice here that you can schedule it. But let's come down here to the more section. I mean, Canva, like I said, has just a ton of ways to share all of your stuff out. And you'll notice all the different ways. I just don't happen to use all of them, so I don't know too much about them. You can even connect it with MailChimp if you have a MailChimp account, which is basically software to send out emails to, let's say you have followers, they signed up and subscribed and gave you their email address, and you want to send them out. You can connect it to MailChimp. And I mean, the list goes on and on with how you can share your designs out. And like I said, I don't use too many of them. One thing I did look in here is at the prototype. So I could open this prototype and it gives them the opportunity to view all 30 pages. So that is another option. And then on the seamless patterns, like I said, you can select and download, and which that I want to point out is a relatively new feature. If you're going to do this design for printing, let's say wall art or anything like that, you're going to always want to choose PDF print because it's best for printing, and you want to choose a profile of CMYK because that is the color profile that is best for printing. RGB is best for digital use, as it states right here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments, and like and subscribe and click on the bell to get notified when new videos drop.